Sir, this massive protest on OBC, the ordinance issue and the bills. What is your intent? What do you want the centre to do?
So we wanted to tell that we are waiting for education employment reservation 42% OBCs and political reservation in local bodies 42%. Two bills are pending with President of India. We have waited long more 4 months, but they have not accepted. Now we are demanding, Parliament is going on, सड़क से लेकर संसद तक हम तो लड़ाई जारी है. So we are fighting from road to Parliament. So our demand is that they have to clear those bills. Education employment reservation 42% and political reservation in local bodies 42%. Till now they have not cleared, and also we have asked appointment of Rashtrapati. Till now we have not got any appointment. I think 2 days back Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, they have met Rashtrapati ji. I think they are pressurizing Rashtrapati ji to not to give appointment to Telangana people. Now we are here, entire cabinet, parliament members, MLCs and MLAs, most of the rural nook and corner OBCs are here. We are pro-OBC. Rahul Gandhi is pro-OBC. Narendra Modi is anti-OBC. This is the fight between pro-OBC and anti-OBC. So we will see how to get this reservation. If Modi is going to accept, it is fine. Otherwise, we will defeat him coming election and we will make Rahul Gandhi as a Prime Minister. We will get that 42% reservation in all over India.
Mr. Reddy, BJP is saying that this is a conspiracy for vote appeasement because you're giving only 5% for OBC and 10% for Muslims. They are saying this. What is that?
I'm challenging whoever is the Minister of Bharatiya Janata Party. Bandi Sanjay or Kishan Reddy, they are illiterates, I can say. Why? Because ask them to go through my bills. Governor has accepted our bills. If there is anything for reservation separate for Muslims or any other thing, it is just impossible to accept Governor of Telangana. So it is approved by the Governor of Telangana. How come they are making allegations against Government of Telangana? So it's a political stand, political stunt. So it is not going to save Bharatiya Janata Party, this political stunt.
If they don't listen your demands, sir, because
yeah, that is one formula. My point is that why that formula? Why don't you amend our act? Already you have amended for EWS. Why can't for OBCs? We are not taking any others reservation. So we are their legitimate right. We wanted to give their legitimate right. So Rahul Gandhi is trying to get a legitimate right of OBCs. Modi is refused to give that legitimate right to OBCs. That's all.
So what is the intent of OBC reservations?
Sir, by hook or crook we wanted to get a 42% reservation for OBC. Okay.